Deep in New Zealand's southern Alps, the kea, a highly intelligent alpine parrot, thrives against the odds. Known for their olive-green plumage and vibrant orange underwings, these cunning birds express a sense of curiosity unrivaled in the avian world. Keas are notorious for their mischievous behavior, using their beaks to dismantle objects, often causing havoc for tourists and earning a reputation as naughty parrots. But their intelligence goes beyond mischief. Keas are talented problem solvers capable of completing complex tasks and even working together to achieve goals. With the kea's habitat increasingly threatened by human activity and predators, urgent conservation efforts are underway to preserve these astonishing creatures in their alpine home.